Leave the steering. Yeah.
Okay.
Just slowly reverse.
Wow. This is really good.
That's pretty cool, right?
Oh.
Slow down.
Okay.
Yep. Just take it easy.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल 48 ऑटोमोबाइल्स। मैं आपका होस्ट रोहित अपने भाई करण के साथ आज आपके लिए बहुत ही शानदार वीडियो लेकर आने वाला हूं। आज के टाइम पे आपको जो मैं कार दिखाने वाला हूं वो एक एसी कार है जिसको आप सिर्फ सोफिस्टिकेटेड एंड शानदार टाइप मानते हो, पर ये जो कार है ना, आज आपको उसके मजल पावर दिखाने वाली है। सो वी आर एट दिस ड्राइव इवेंट फॉर Volkswagen Tiguan। अब यहाँ पे हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस करने आए हैं इसकी जो ऑफ रोड कैपेबिलिटीज़ के लिए। सो आज हम लोग बैंगलोर में आए हैं इस इवेंट को कवर करने के लिए। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे पूरा जो है ऑफ-रोडिंग ट्रैक लगाया गया है इस पर्टिकुलर कार के लिए। ये जो है 4x4 इसकी जो कैपेबिलिटीज़ है वो दिखाने वाले हैं हम लोग। तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर दिखेगा, कुछ अलग सा वीडियो है, आपको मज़ा आने वाला है। सो प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो अप टिल द एंड और आपको पता चलेगा ये मसल कार कैसी हो चुकी है।
Whatever the instructor says,
Sure.
just trust the car. Purely just trust the car. You'll feel little hesitant. You'll feel little scared. Okay, would it do? Would it not do?
Yeah.
I myself felt hesitant. So yeah, it's good. You're good. It's all gonna do. It's gonna do what it's supposed to. Just trust the machine. That's it. Go like say, nice and slow.
Sure.
I would say use both.
Yeah.
Like brake and accelerator at the same time. And don't go past 2,500. 2,000.
2000 is enough. Okay.
2,000 enough, but don't come off instantly.
Yeah.
Keep it gradual, keep it nice, like aram se. Yeah, which is perfect.
Okay.
The potholes of Silkwood.
Okay. All over Bangalore. So this is gently getting you into this mood of off-roading, and then after this,
and this is a little scary. Not that scary, I would say.
Yeah, parabolic drive. Yeah.
Really frustrating.
Okay.
Pull left. Good slow. Slow.
Okay.
Keep your foot on the brake also.
Yeah.
Nice and slow. You good?
Okay. Straighten it
Just
up a
trust the
bit.
car.
Yeah.
Straighten it out.
Yeah. So it has stopped on its own.
Stop on its own.
Yeah.
Throttle it.
Okay. Pretty much it does its own thing. Okay.
Straighten it out. Straighten it. Straighten.
Yeah.
Straight. Stop.
The driver who's with Chetan, come up and stop just before the board and then I'll guide you, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, turn left now, turn left, yeah.
Not too much.
Keep coming. Keep braking. Just come slowly, please. Otherwise, you'll damage the activity. Yeah, keep coming. Turn right a bit.
Turn right.
Keep coming now. Come straight. Now turn left.
Come slowly. Don't keep braking. Keep slow.
Okay.
So don't keep pumping the brakes, okay?
Okay.
Just keep coming slowly.
Slow. Turn right. Go.
Don't turn fully. Just turn a little bit. Yeah, keep
coming.
Turn
Let go of the
turn
brake.
right.
Yeah.
Turn right. Yeah, keep moving. Turn right. Yeah, keep coming.
Fine.
Yeah, you're good. Go.
Yeah, keep going. Turn left. Yeah, keep. Come straight now. Now turn right fully.
Come. Alright. Slowly, nice and steady. It's perfect. Straighten it out for you. Nice and easy. Shake.
Then please take over.
Okay, now slow and steady. Nice and steady. Yeah, this is a pretty slow section that you have to be in, so you have to say, keep a little break and then put more throttle. That's all. You got this, just trust the car.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. You got this, good. Good.
So just look at me. It's not a big deal at all.
Oh.
Just relax.
Yeah.
Okay. Just come up all the way here.
Go,
Come up.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Straighten out the steering. Straighten it out.
Straight.
Yeah.
Yep. You good? And left. Straighten it out. Just a little. You gotta go through the cone, yeah?
Okay.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Left. Right. Turn right. Turn it right. Keep turning right. Right. Perfect. You're good. Just turn left. Slowly. Nice and very slowly. Yep. Go straight. Straight.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah. Left. Turn left. Okay. Let go.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it does its spring again over here.
Right. Yeah, you stop there.
Yeah. So this right over here is descent as well as a right turn only.
Come left a bit. Chetan, left. Yeah. Keep coming. Now straighten out the steering wheel. Straighten out. Now turn right. Turn right. Yeah. Very good. Turn right. Keep moving. Don't stop. Turn right. Keep moving. Slowly.
Left.
Turn right. Straight. You go up.
Go up. Left. No. Keep going.